I will show how to buy shares of Universal Music Group N.V, a leading global music company listed on Euronext under the ticker UMG.NV. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will normally verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search and type the ticker UMG.NV to find Universal Music Group. Select the matching result to locate the correct share listing. On the stock page, review the company's summary and examine the price chart to confirm it is Universal Music Group. Check the exchange shows Euronext and the ticker UMG.NV to ensure you have the right listing. To invest, click Buy. Enter the amount you wish to allocate, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until it opens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the trade confirms. After the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For more details and the example link, check the description below.